Hello everyone, welcome to this series of building full movie application using Flutter. So far this is the part 3 in our series and we have built up to this part. Our today's task is to list all the TV series in the horizontal list view builder in our UI. Okay. So based on your category you can get the JSON. This is my API key and this is the link. This is the TV series link which you can get from the tmdb API developer account. The JSON is in form of this. Okay, now let's get started. The API key in all API dot. Okay. In today's task we will be using this link, which is the same link as this, and the JSON is in form of like this. Now the only task is to use this JSON, decode it and show it in our UI as beautifully as we can. Okay, so let's get started. First of all we need to import .convert because we are using the JSON decode function to decode our JSON. That's why we need this .convert packages. Second, we need HTTP package because we will be requesting the URL, popular TV series URL using HTTP. The third is API key.file, API key.file, which contain the API key in the form of string. Okay. As in the previous video, we will store all the JSON decoded movie or TV series into one single variable. For that I have created one variable of list of type map string dynamic. So the first part is always string. As you can see here, the first part is always string. The JSON we get, the first part it is always string, and for the second part it can be anything. So that's why I have given the dynamic part to it. Now we are creating variable of type map, string and dynamic, and I'm gonna name it popular TV series. For now it's empty. Later on when we decode the JSON output, then we will put it into this variable. Now as you can see, the URL is like this: api.themoviedb.org/3/tv/popular, and in part of the API key we will write our own API key which we got from the developer account. So that is the same URL. Now I'm gonna create one future function of type void. Okay, the function name is TV series function, which is async. So I'm gonna call this URL by method await http. So I'm gonna call it http.get, and inside it I'm gonna parse it. So uri.parse and this link, popular TV series URL. Okay, so now I'm gonna check it if the popular TV response. It means if the response I get status code is either 200 or not. So if it's 200, then it's success, and I'm gonna store all the output in this variable temp data. So if the status code is 200, it means I'm gonna get all this JSON output. Okay, and when I write popular TV response dot body and decode it by using JSON decode function, which is why we need this .convert package, then I have all the JSON decoded data inside our temp data variable. So this temp data variable has scope inside only this block. I can't access the temp data variable outside this scope. Okay, so you can call it the temporary variable also. Now the temp data contain the whole JSON. So if you look it carefully, the temp data contain all of this. Okay, but I don't need this page or the total page or the total result. So that's why I only need the result value, and inside of the temp data and inside the result, the data inside the result, I am storing it into the another variable. So temp data contain all of this data, and I am restricting my data to only this result. So I only want data of this result. That's why the temp data result, our confined data, is stored into another variable. Now in this popular TVJSON variable, it only contains this data, the data inside the result. And as you can see, the result contain the 20 number of item. That's why I'm gonna loop it from 1 to 20 using for loop. Instead of writing 20, I'm gonna write popular TVJSON.length, which is same as 20. Okay, both are same thing. And inside this for loop, I'm gonna add all the data to this variable popular TV series dot add. Now inside it, I'm gonna first of all add the name of the TV series. Now we can access the name by writing popular TVJSON, which is all data contained in the result variable, and inside it the first TV series and the first name. Okay, so inside of this you can see there are a lot of TV series. Okay, so inside of this variable popular TVJSON, 0 means this block, 1 means this block, 2 means this block. So first of all the block will be 0 and name. So 0 and inside its name, and the second for loop will contain this name, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 20. So in this way I would be able to add all the name of the TV series inside this list name ID. Okay, also I'm gonna create a new ID poster path under this variable, and I'm gonna add all the poster path of the series. So in the same way I can get it. Also I need the boat average, I need the date, I need the ID. Now if the response.status code is not 200, it means we did not get response as we expected. Then we can simply print the error. Okay, so this is it. We have successfully made a call to the API and extracted all the required data, and also we have stored everything inside our list variable popular TV series. It contain inside the popular TV series name, it contain all the name of the series. Inside poster path, it contain all the poster path of the series. Inside boat average, inside date and inside ID, it contain their similar field. Now we need to create a simple UI part, and in the UI we are going to return a future builder which we should give the future function as an argument. So we give future function as TV series function, which we have just recently created. Also in the future builder we are required to give the builder function, and in the builder it accepts the context and the snapshot. Now if snapshot dot connection state is waiting, then we are gonna return a circular progress indicator. Okay, so if it's waiting, then we are gonna show it by circular progress indicator, and if its snapshot connection state is successfully completed, then we are gonna return a simple column, and inside it I'm gonna give a little padding, and I'm going to write a simple popular TV series. Okay, you can see the popular TV series over here. Now I want a container of height 250 child, and I'm gonna create a horizontal list view of the popular TV series movie. So that's why I have used the list view builder. Physics, bouncing scroll physics, scroll direction. I am gonna make a horizontal list, and item count. Item count is 20, which is same as popular TV series dot length, the amount of data our variable contain. Okay. Now in the list view dot builder, we have to give the item builder, and in item builder it contain the context and index. Now we are returning the gesture detector, which has OnTap property, and in the child I am gonna use the container with margin and the width of 170. If I run it, there's nothing because I haven't done anything in the UI part. Now in this container I am gonna give an image of the TV series. So we have completed this image part in our previous video. The link of the image is like this. You can get any tmdb API image by using this link. Okay, and after this we have to write the poster path. So we have stored all the poster path inside our popular TV series, and inside the poster path ID. Inside our popular TV series, under poster path ID, we have stored all poster path of the movie. So I'm gonna write popular TV series, and in the bracket poster path, first of all index, and after it poster path. So for the first index, first movie poster path will be displayed. For the second poster path will be displayed, and so on. So for making it even more beautiful, I'm gonna apply some color filter. First of all, let's see how it look. Okay, you can see so far I have created a list view dot builder in a horizontal direction, and item count popular TV series dot length, which is 20. Inside it I have created a container. In the container I have added an image, and the image I have used the official tmdb of getting the image of the poster path link, and I have given the poster path also. So here I have the list of 20 series. Furthermore, I am gonna apply some color filter color dot black with opacity 0.3 and blend mode to dark. If you look carefully inside this popular TV series variable, we have various fields, like it contains the name of all series, poster path of the all series, vote average, date and ID. So far we have only used the poster path and displayed it in our UI. So I also want to show the date, vote average. That's why I'm gonna create a row, and inside the children I'm gonna give a little padding. Inside the text I'm gonna write the date, so it will give the release date of all the series. If you look carefully, so here you can see the date is being displayed. Also I want to display the rating. I have given the padding, and in the container a little bit of decoration. Okay, so a little more decoration, and inside the row, first of all I'm gonna write, to get the rating we have to call the popular TV series and index and vote average. In this way we will get the rating of all the movies. So first of all popular TV series, index, and then vote average dot to string, which will convert the number into string. Basically the text widget expect to be the string, in the form of string, and the boat average, I think it's in the form of double or something like number 4.3, 3.6. That's why we have converted to string. And you can see the rating is successfully displayed. Now also in this row, I'm gonna add a small icon of star of color yellow. So it's not necessary, but to make it look good, I have added the star also. Okay. So that's it for the video. If you like it, then please give it a like, and furthermore follow up in this series. Also, you can check the description. I have provided the link to GitHub repository. You can figure it out over there also. So if I want print in the gesture detector, POP popular TV series and IMDx popular TV series index, and I think name, yeah, name. So basically the reason that I have wrapped it under the gesture detector is further more in our series we have to display the detail of the individual movie or series. So for it, I have under the onTap property, I have written a simple print statement which will print the selected name of the TV series, which is inside popular TV series, index and name. So if I tap it here, you can see the name is displayed in the console. Okay, you can see the name is displayed in the console, and I can display the ID also. Now if I tap it, I get a unique ID. So whenever the user will tap to any movie, then I'm gonna navigator dot push navigator dot I think push replacement navigator dot push replacement material page route, and I'm gonna go to the new screen, maybe movie detail screen. So I haven't created movie detail screen, and I'm gonna pass the ID, and based on that ID I can show the description, because tmdb can give you the link in which you can provide the ID of any movie and you can get the full detail of that movie. So for the today video, I think only this much. Thanks for watching. On the next video we will complete like everything, the movie part, the upcoming part. So basically it's same. I have called the API for the 20 popular TV series. In the same way you can call for the movie and call for the upcoming list also. Okay, the process is same. The only thing difference is the link. The only difference is the link, and maybe the name of the ID in which we get JSON might differ. Other than that, everything is same. So far we have created a simple UI for the TV series. Now okay, we have used one URL which give the popular TV series list, and by using that URL we have our JSON data, and we have displayed those JSON data in our UI perfectly. As similar to the popular TV series, I have copied and pasted a whole bunch of code which is same as this one, but instead of the popular we are getting the on-air TV response. Now similar to the popular TV series URL, or similar to the popular TV series response, I have created another top rated response which is basically everything same as the popular TV response. The only difference is the variable name I have used here. Okay, for that I'm gonna need one top rated URL, and I'm gonna need one on air TV series URL, and I'm gonna create a new variable to store all the top rated TV series inside it, and I'm gonna create a new variable on air TV series to store all the on air TV series data inside this variable. So far, if you look down carefully, we have already created the popular TV series variable, and we have already written this bunch of code in our previous video. So if you notice down carefully, I have created two more variable. So this variable we have covered it up in the previous video of the popular TV series, and I have created two more variable, top rated and on air TV series, to get the JSON data. Here's the URL. I think I have covered it in the first video. I have all the URL which give the JSON data of the movie jar series. Also I have the URL for the upcoming. We will be talking about it in our later video. I was in the TV series. Okay, similar to this block of code, I have created this block of code. So same thing is over here. I'm getting a JSON response. I have decoded it, and I have run the for loop, and I have stored everything in the top rated variable. And for the on air TV also, I have requested, and I have get response. I have decoded the JSON data, stored in the variable. I have stored result in the variable, and I have looped through 20 times, which is length, and I have stored everything in this variable. Okay, so it's not different. Now the only thing remaining is to show these two things, which is the top rated TV series and on air TV series in our UI. So for that, one method is that, as you can see, I have to copy all this and paste it two more times, and I have to change this popular TV series with the top rated. But as you can see, it is roughly about 50 to 70 line, and if I copy two more times, then our altogether code will be more than 200 line. So it's not good. And what I was thinking is to create one common function. Okay, so in the lib I'm gonna create a new file, repeated function, and I'm gonna create a slider dot. I'm gonna take one parameter string list. Let's give it a name. I also need a title, and also I need type, and let's import item count also for the simplicity. Okay, now I'm gonna return, actually I can copy paste it from the TV series. Okay, in this else part, up to this column, I have cut it. Now I'm gonna paste it over here. Okay, fine. In the item count, in the popular TV series, I'm gonna first list name. I'm gonna take the whole list as a parameter. Also in this popular TV series text, I'm gonna replace it with category title. I'm gonna also take the parameter. Constant. Okay, and item builder. So I have to replace this popular TV series with first list name, first list name, and first list name. Okay, now I think I'm good to go. Okay, item count. Perfect. Now I have created one separate widget slider list so that I don't have to write code again and again for it. We take the whole list as a parameter name first list name. It take category title, it take the type, and it take the item count. Okay, so far. Now in the TV series section, I'm gonna return a column main axis alignment dot start. In the children, I'm gonna call the function slider list. Okay, I need the 4 parameter for it. First of all, popular TV series, category title. I want to give a popular TV series. Type I'm gonna give TV, and item count, let's give it 20. Perfect. Oh wait, some error. Expected to find where. Okay, perfect. Okay, it's working fine. Now what can I do is I can just call this function 2 more time, and now you can see. Okay, perfect. So it has created the whole list 3 times. In the popular TV series, I'm gonna write what on the air and top rated series. This both is TV 2020. It's good. Now in the popular TV series, I have to write one year TV series, which is list of map, string, and dynamic. Okay. Also in the top rated, I have created one variable of type string, list of map, string, comma dynamic. I have to pass it. So once I refresh the page, you can see the series will now change. So okay, in the popular year TV, you are getting the popular. In the on year, you are getting the on year, and in the top rated series, you are getting the top rated series of the all time, I think. So that's it. Now it will be very easy for us to just call slider list function. Also we have to make the same for the movies and the same for the upcoming, so it will be easy. We have already made our slider list function. Now the only thing remaining is to just call our API link for the movie, store all the data inside one maybe popular movies, list of type, map, string, and dynamic, popular movies and top rated movies, maybe popular on the day, something like that, and everything will be perfect. So okay, in our movie section so far we have only written a movie text. If you come over to the tmdb website, you can see a lot of things so that you can add some element in our movie section. And as you can see, there's a link for the popular movies, now playing movies, top rated movies, and upcoming movies. Now we have to show this all in our UI. So for that I have to copy it in our movies.dot. popular movies. Okay, now I have to create a variable. Popular movies, top rated movies, playing movies, and finally upcoming movies. Perfect. Now what else? So I have to create one function. Movies list. It is the async function. And I have copied and pasted the whole code, which is just repetition of the all code from our previous videos. Okay. Also http dot API key. Now this import is remaining. http dot as http. Perfect. Okay, now it's good. We have created 3 variable list, which contain the list of all the popular, top rated and now playing movies. Also we have created one future function which call this 3 link, and I have also created a 3 block of code which will add the selected movies data into the selected variable. Now only thing remaining is to show it in our UI. Okay, so that's not a difficult thing to do. Now I'm gonna return a future builder. Oh, sorry. I messed up a little bit. Future builder, our future function is the movie list. I think I have TV series function and the movie list. Okay, context and snapshot. If snapshot dot connection state equal connection state dot waiting, return circular progress indicator, color dot amber. Now for our else part, okay, what to return a simple column, main axis alignment at start. Now I have to provide the children. Okay, in the column section. What's error? Perfect, now error has come. Constant column, I have to call the slider list. It wasn't necessary. Okay, first name list, popular movie, top rated movies, now playing movies. So for our first parameter, it accept the variable. I think, oh no, not the case. popular movies, it should show it is a variable of list of type string and dynamic, but also it's fine. Popular movies, type movie, and item count is still 20. Perfect. Now let us see in our UI. Okay, circular progress indicator not running quite good. Now it's good. In the movie section we are getting our popular movie. Now only thing remaining is to just put like this, and instead of popular, top rated, and I forget one. Okay, now playing movies. Now playing movies. Here it need the top rated movies. So now playing and top rated movies. Okay, fine, it's looking good. So we have completed our TV series part, and also we have completed our movie section part. Furthermore, you can make the UI very much beautiful